How to remove your card on Shein account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you on removing your card on Shein account. So let's get started. Removing your card from a Shein account is an exceptionally straightforward process that can be easily accomplished. Today I'm excited to walk you through the steps involved in achieving this task, so let's delve into the process in detail. To begin, access the official website of the Shein by launching your preferred web browser on any of your devices and then type in shein.com in the search bar and hit enter on your keyboard. And once you've successfully landed on the website's main page, direct your attention to the top bar where you will spot a small profile icon. Once you click on it, from the drop-down menu, click on My Profile option. Now from the left-hand side of the screen, click on My Payment options, that is just below the address book option. Click on it, as this is where your all the saved payment methods are securely stored. Once you've accessed this section, a comprehensive list of the cards associated with your Shein account will be available for you. Identify the specific card that you wish to remove from your account and keep an eye out for a designated option indicated by a trash icon, a remove button, or a similar form of the wording that allows for the deletion or the removal of the card from your account. Confirm your intention to remove the card from your Shein account by following the on-screen instructions. Once the confirmation process is successfully completed, the selected card will be promptly removed from your Shein account. It is really essential to note that post-removal, you will no longer be able to utilize this card for any future transactions on the Shein. By adhering to these simple yet crucial steps, you can effortlessly manage and update your payment methods on Shein. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.